Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz, this is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money, they smell good. Usually they are on the radar, not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is another perfume from another subsidiary of Afnan. Afnan is taking over the world. They not only they produce so many fragrances themselves, but they have many subsidiaries, or at least they are umbrella. I think there are other companies that they're quite unknown. So what they do, they pair themselves with a well-known company or established company, and then they can basically sell their product better. So whichever way it is, it's good for us the consumer. The reason is because this beauty or this perfume is under £20 in the United Kingdom for 100 ml eau de parfum. And Beit al Bakhoor, as I said, they claim to be a subsidiary of Afnan, which is another United Arab Emirates fragrance based company. I bought two. This one is third one. So the two were, one was gold and one was black bottle, and those two were superb for the money. So I had to get the third one as well. And this one in particular is called Khashab Al Oud, which in Arabic translates to English the woods of Oud. The woods of Oud. Okay. So before I do the unboxing, if you like what I do, if you find it informative, if you find it useful or valuable, or in any way, shape, entertaining, you know what to do. Hit those buttons. This way you encourage me, you help me, you motivate me to make videos like this in future. Thank you very much for your support, and let's go. So as you can see, it's a nice design box. Sorry about the noise. Beautiful design, very attractive. As always, the Middle Eastern houses, they give you everything plus the kitchen sink. Some people say it's tacky. Why? You know what I mean? It's a different design, it's a different shape, different colors. I like them to be different. I like the, you know, okay, I'm a big fan of classic designs, but sometimes, you know, a different design is nice too. To me, that is beauty in the bottle. Anyway, so let's go with the bottle. The packaging is very good, especially for the price, under £20. You usually get much more expensive if you go for an established name for such a packaging. And the bottle is gorgeous. Okay, it's beautiful brown and gold on top. Very heavy bottle, beautiful design. It's got that Islamic, Arabic, traditional way of designing things, which is beautiful on the eyes. It's very nice details. The Beit of Bakhoor details on top. The cap is super heavy. I don't understand when people say this is ugly bottle. How is this ugly? This is superb, at least for my taste anyway. Okay, so let's go with the sprayer. Very good sprayer, perfect for under £20. Everything so far so good. Okay, so how is the smell? Here we go. First impression. Beit al Bakhoor. This one is called Khashab Al Oud, or translate in English, Woods of Oud. And this is 100 ml eau de parfum. As I said, in United Kingdom you can find it under £20. Okay. Gorgeous. Absolutely beauty. No harshness, no chemical, no, you know, stuff that it puts you off at all. No alcohol, straight to the perfume. The perfume here is top notch for the price. Smells 10 times what I paid for it. Oud. Yes, this is all about oud. As you said, Khashab Al Oud. So you need to like oud. This is very realistic. For this price point, obviously we don't expect natural oud. This is going to be synthetic, but the way they done it, it smells supernatural. It's just unbelievable. How they do it is beyond me. Yeah, beautiful, warm, earthy, woody, little bit of leatheriness, There's a bit of incensey feel to it. Definitely resin, very resinous. Very resinous. Absolutely gorgeous. So you need to like oud, because this is oud in your face, at least for a first impression, first sniff. So the first thing is very woody, it's very oudy, it's very quite leathery, resinous, incensey, a little bit of sweetness in there, not much. Yeah, between 0 to 10, 10 being the sweetest right now is about 5, so it's not a particularly sweet fragrance, but for what I paid, what a smell. But as I said, you need to like your oud. This is oud first and foremost, as it says, Khashab Al Oud. It's got an ambery feel to it as well, but how do they do it? So this is definitely a mature nose. I would say 25, even 30 and up, because definitely it's complex. It's definitely an acquired taste. It's oud, oud. This is very good for winter, definitely cooler weather, and also this is on the formal side of things, but you can rock it anytime you want. But for a first impression, first sniff, 2 thumbs up. I loving it. You know me, I love my oud. I'm a middle-aged man. I grew up in Middle East anyway, so this is up my alley. So if you are looking for oud and you don't know what oud smells like, maybe it's a potential of, you know, you getting something that it puts you off, because it's an acquired taste. Usually with oud taste for oud, it is 2 things. Either you have been collecting fragrances for a long time, or you like something unusual, something different, or you know you like oud. Okay, so these 3 are the category that people will like this. So if you don't know oud, this might put you off potentially. If you are somebody who is just starting with fragrances, you don't have that much experience, this is, again, it could be potentially off-putting for you. If you are somebody who is always like the fresh fragrances, fresh side of the perfumery, again, this might not be for you. So this is an acquired taste first and foremost. Second, you need to like, you need to like your oud. You need to know what you're doing. You need to know what you're buying. Okay. But for people who like oud and they were looking for a very cheap oud, this is amazing. For a price I paid for it, under £20, it smells like £100 plus. If it had a big name on it, nobody would have complaints, and it had a price tag of £150, and it had a massive name, which you know which one they are. Nobody would have complained. They would have gone say, yeah, this is the best thing since the sliced bread. Okay, all right guys, thank you very much for joining me. This was the first impression, first sniff. In the next video I'll let you know the development, the longevity, and good things like this. But for now, 2 thumbs up for me, at least for my taste. I'm a middle-aged man, I like these things. And if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, or any way or shape useful, you know what to do, hit those buttons. And also, if you like to purchase one of my own fragrances, I'm a perfumer. I make my own perfumes from the scratch to the perfume. Nobody else is involved. It's all about me. You're getting the artist's impression fragrance. They are very artistic. They are quite unusual. They are very unique. They are super intriguing and super beast mode, but you need to live in United Kingdom in order to purchase them. I leave them in the link in the description as well. As always, thank you very much, and I see you later. Bye.